My name is Sarah. We do a lot on Nature-Ology, but our main focuses are going to be native plant and animal species and edible wild plants, which is one of my favorite subjects, as well as, pieces of nature that we can use to make something beautiful out of. Like for me, I make earrings out of fall leaves, so stay tuned for one of those. But yeah, if you have a subject that you want us to cover for you, just let us know and we'll try to cover it in a future video. Also, if you'd like to share us with your friends and family, that would be amazing to get the word out for us. We really appreciate that for helping grow this channel. This is kind of something we're passionate about and we'd love to see it get big. So thanks for your support.